Alright guys, today I'm going to do something a little different. We're just going to do a quick little video on my 94 GMC Sonoma. Alright guys, as you can tell it's a little bright out here, but the story with this thing is it used to be my daily and I don't drive it so much anymore, but today I'm going to take it out for a drive, take you guys along just for the fun of it. First I gotta go get a jump pack. Anyway, this is a 94 GMC Sonoma, and it is a 4.3 liter 5-speed 4-wheel drive, which is kind of an oddity to get a 5-speed with 4-wheel drive and the 4.3. And you can get a 5-speed, but most of the time you don't get 4-wheel drive. Or you can get a 4.3 4-wheel drive, but you ain't gonna get a 5-speed. A lot of times you see the 5-speed behind the 4-cylinders, like Friend James's truck. But anytime you got the 4.3, most of the time you got an automatic. So this one is a little different. Got it for a pretty good deal when I bought it. And then I had to put heads on it because they were cracked, which was a common issue for 4.3s of this year. Cracked heads, it still drove really nice. It just would get hot. I put a set of reman heads on here, and I've been driving it ever since. I've driven this car for 5 years practically. This car is a really good car, or truck. S10s are cars, I don't care what you say. I have put a trailer behind this. It doesn't like it, so I'm just going to tell you that right now. At that lot, there's an old 944. It's a turbo model. Anyway, it's been a really good truck for me. I'd like to do things with it. I'd like to put a V8 in here and give it a little bit of a lift and some bigger tires, some stuff like that. But at the end of the day, too, I really hate to take this thing apart. It just works so well. Granted, it does need a new set of tires, and I think right now I have one that's quite low. But beyond that, this is a really good little truck. It's got air conditioning that works, and heater, and the interior is not too tore up on this, which is really good for an older S10. Most time S10s get destroyed. They get into the hands of young kids and get beat up beyond belief. Now don't get me wrong, this thing's filthy as all get out, but it's not broken up. It's in really good shape. It's part of the reason why I'm driving it today is because I'm going to move it from where it was sitting to where I had the RX-7 sitting. Since I moved the RX-7 out there to my mother's, closer to the shop, I'll put this under where it was sitting to keep it out of the weather, which should make it a little happier. But I seem to never take you guys along on a drive, so I decided I'd take you along for a drive this time. So anyway, this is my 94 GMC Sonoma. The people who actually know me, I guarantee, have all ridden in this truck at one point in their life. And watch me abuse the shit out of it. But anyway, guys, just want to make a quick little video. Just an update. I just released the new Fun with James video. It's part 2 on that. I'll be releasing the 3rd part and the final part, and that will be just a raw video of that truck and its first startup, since that is a rebuilt motor and all that stuff like that. So that'll be the first startup of it. Hope you guys can still see me. I just pulled under the carport. But anyway, that'll be the first start of it. And that'll be the next video out on next Sunday. It's okay, at this point is where I have to tell you where this video breaks completely down and I lose the data of me and James starting his engine. It got corrupted and it's gone and I can't recover it, and I'm sorry. But the truck started and ran, and it sounded a little rough at the beginning and then got progressively better. So there's that. And the second thing I need to tell you about is when I got into this truck is I noticed a very strong mildewy smell, and it was at that point that I found out that my floorboards were completely soaked down with water and there was mold growing in the truck. So now next you're going to get a series of videos where I clean and disinfect the entire inside of this truck, because if I don't take care of it now, it's only going to get worse to the point of where I'll have to throw everything on the inside away. But we'll see that in the next upcoming videos. I'm going to break that cleaning into 2 parts because it's getting kind of long. There's a lot of cleaning involved. But that's where we're at. I'll get with James, and in the future we'll try to get some video of him running and operating the truck. But until then, just know that that truck's up and running and the engine ran really good. So I'll catch you guys next time.